Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MongoDB Atlas CLI and automate cluster tasks, full guide step by step clearly. To download MongoDB Atlas CLI and automate cluster tasks, start by visiting the MongoDB official website. Navigate to the Downloads section on the website. Look for the MongoDB Atlas CLI option. Select the appropriate version for your operating system, whether it be Windows, macOS, or Linux. Click on the download link to begin the download process. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. For Windows users, run the executable installer to complete the installation. For macOS users, open the downloaded .dmg file and drag the MongoDB Atlas CLI to your Applications folder. For Linux users, open the terminal and follow the instructions provided in the installation guide to set up the CLI. After installation, verify that the CLI is correctly installed by opening a terminal or command prompt. Type MongoDB version and press enter to see the installed version of MongoDB Atlas CLI. Next, you need to set up authentication for the CLI. Go to your MongoDB Atlas account and log in. Navigate to the organization or project where your clusters are located. Select the API keys option from the left-hand menu. Create a new API key and set the necessary permissions based on your requirements. Copy the public and private API key information for later use. Return to your terminal and use the command MongoDB config to start the configuration process. You will be prompted to input your organization ID, public key, and private key. Once you've entered the required information, your CLI will be configured to interact with your MongoDB clusters. Now, let's automate some cluster tasks using the MongoDB Atlas CLI. First, familiarize yourself with the available commands by typing MongoDB help. To create a new cluster, use the command MongoDB Atlas clusters create cluster_name. Replace cluster_name with your desired cluster name and follow the prompts for configuration options. To view existing clusters, use the command MongoDB Atlas clusters list. If you want to delete a cluster, use the command MongoDB Atlas clusters delete cluster_name. Make sure to replace cluster_name with the actual name of the cluster you wish to delete. You can also scale your clusters easily with the command MongoDB Atlas clusters resize cluster_name. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.